Ladies and gentlemen, as I conclude, I would like to express my deepest appreciation to His Excellency Gur Bengali Bardi Mohammadov and His Excellency Sardar Bardi Mohammadov for convening this very timely and important event and for dedicating their lives to the purpose of global peace and trust. I appeal to all of you, ladies and gentlemen, to let this forum serve as a genuine call to action and urgent action for a new paradigm of international relations where we move from zero-sum mindsets to purposeful cooperation. Let us invest in connectivity, not just as conduits for transportation of goods, but as bridges for people, ideas, and prosperity. Let us commit to resolve disputes peacefully through dialogue and diplomacy, and reaffirm our earnest commitment to the principles of the United Nations Charter. And let us together chart a common course towards a future defined by peace, mutual trust, and shared prosperity.